Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam games slow download speed. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to optimize Steam settings. To do this, open up Steam, click on the Steam tab and select settings. On left side select downloads. In download region, click on the drop down and choose a server geographically close to you. Test multiple region if your default region is low. Limit download speed, you just need to turn it off and scroll down. Select the clear cache option and after that Steam will restart. And you just need to right click on the Steam on the desktop shortcut and select properties. And now you just need to check my video description for this text used in my video. Just to copy the text and in target at this end of this path you just need to leave a space and paste this text we copied and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to relaunch Steam and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to reduce background interference. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. You just need to close bandwidth heavy apps like browser, torrents or streaming services, and you just need to ensure no other downloads are consuming your network bandwidth. Method 3, you just need to use a faster DNS. To do this, go to search menu and type view network connection, click on open it. Right click on where internet connection you are using. In my case I am using Ethernet and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server type 8844. This is Google's DNS guys. Click on OK and just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.